Wednesday morning. Good morning. It's a beautiful sunny day. Really warm outside. I think we're in California. Oh, wait a second. No, it's pitch black outside. Can't see a darn thing out there. Freezing cold in this house. Turned the heat up, but one of our radiators is not working. I took out like 15 buckets worth, and the radiator finally started to get warm, but freezing cold this morning. I know what the problem is. The problem is the valve that you turn on the radiator is rusted shut. And I don't want to open it up because right now I opened it a little tiny bit and now it's leaking. So I know if I open it up with my strong arms, I'll bust the thing. I'll just have a water leak all day. So I have to bring somebody in and fix that thing up because it's cold in that room. So anyways, especially during this week when it's supposed to be really cold. It's cold. It's cold out. Not that cold. Yesterday wasn't that cold, but today seems a little bit colder.
What did you do? You did this work here? Yeah. Where did you do it?
Math and Literary Center.
Literary centers?
Math and Literary Center.
Literacy? Yeah, math and literacy.
No.
Yeah.
Math and Literacy Center.
Say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Yes.
That's Kit Kat.
Oh, I like Kit Kat usually. That just tastes like...
When did you eat it?
I just had one the other day.
No, you did not.
Oh, alright, let me try it then.
Did you have my chocolate covered pretzels?
That's what I had.
Bastard!
Morning, but it's not even morning. I don't even think I said good morning this morning. I'm here with Nick. Good afternoon. I haven't even vlogged anything at all today, I don't think. It's been a busy morning. Freezing cold day today, so Sam drove the kids to school. Emily said that it's the coldest day of the year so far, so the kids are all inside today. They won't even go outside for recess, so that's good. That makes me feel better because I feel so bad when they are freezing their butts off outside. Sam will also be able to pick them up from the bus today so that I won't have to do that and freeze my butt off. And Sam is home. Can't believe it's already Wednesday. I am shocked. It just is shocking to me that it's already Wednesday. So the repair guy came already today, fixed our thermostat, or our thing here. It's not that hot yet. Sam, it's not very hot. The thing is still not very hot. So he fixed it, and the dining room will have heat again. So.
Talking to each other?
Yeah, funny, eh? Every time I put one on, he's in love with it.
He's got a friend.
Maybe he needs a friend.
Let's get in there and see.
Our guy.
But that one's whistling.
Our guy's too little. They don't start to whistle and talk like that till they're about 6 months.
Oh yeah, maybe they'll learn something.
Yeah.
Should play.
Look at him. He's so content. He must be lonely for another bird. I should look it up and see if they need friends.
So,
Guess what I'm making?
what are you making?
A cake for Macy.
Oh, that's a horse cape. That's cool.
I'm getting something for my mom and dad. This is her card. This is her card.
Is it?
This.
What are you making, Soph?
Oh, Dad, you just gave me a great idea.
What? What are you making, Soph?
A picture for me. A surprise for Cockatiel.
You guys are always busy when you guys get home. You guys are always busy crafting.
It's not a surprise for me, but it's mine and Cockatiel's.
And you're making a cape. Cutting?
Yeah.
Is it sharp enough?
Yep.
Okay, good.
It just takes a long time.
You have to show me it after you're done, okay?
Okay. I'll show you mine. You want cookie those too.
All right. Cool.
This is the kind that you can't really see.
Okay, cool. I am cooking some spaghetti today. Gluten-free spaghetti made with rice, not flour. Rice flour, not grain flour. It says it's not mushy, but if you overcook this stuff, it is mushy. Huh. But anyways, that's the stuff we eat. Gluten-free pasta.
This is what I made for cookie dough on her birthday or her party.
Wow, that's nice. What is it?
This surprise.
It's a surprise?
Yes.
For cookie dough?
Yeah. Well, I really want to give it to her right now. So I will.
Cool.
Wow, look what somebody just brought us. A friend brought us this game. And look at Gabby.
And it has chocolate.
It's a chocolate Monopoly game. Should we play it tonight?
Yeah.
All right, you got to do your homework though.
Yeah. Someone to do all. I have to do eat all of it. I have to eat all of it.
Well, we'll see what the instructions say.
One special thing about my name.
One special thing about your name. Your name means gift from God.
Strong woman.
Of God or messenger of God.
Yeah, you never said that to me.
Or gift of God. So hi guys, we've hardly vlogged all day. It's just been a busy, crazy day and it is icy outside. It's so cold. My hands are freezing. I'm inside and the temperature is 72 degrees in here, so it's warm, but I am freezing. Yeah, we got our heater fixed.
Our radiator fixed.
Yeah, we had it fixed this morning and so the dining room is warm. I'm glad we got it fixed. Aren't you glad we got it fixed? And we did not get the upstairs one turned off. So, would you say that I won?
Lose-lose situation. Should got it turned off.
No,
Forgot all
win-win.
about it.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what's in this game. Wow, that is really neat. It's a game. Oh, so maybe when you spin the dice, you get to own like North Carolina Avenue. Wow. We can't play tonight though.
Color, pink.
That is Virginia Avenue. Where's Park Place?
There you go. Have some supper. Don't get
Railroads. Here's the board.
lots of chupos out there.
And on the other side too.
Is there cards and stuff? This is like maybe a weekend game. I don't see any cards.
No, it's just chocolate.
I know, but then what do you do? Well, that's really neat. We'll have to play that on the weekend. We're going to have some pasta. Sam made pasta for supper.
No noodles.
Just noodles. There's sauce there.
And this pasta in here.
Yum. Do you love pasta?
Yeah. Even noodles.
Go.
Okay, who's the man? Who did this? Who
Nick.
put the thread?
Nick's the man.
No, I'm the man.
Is that your
Who's
phone?
the man?
Oh, he said in a minute, so you can wait.
Is your phone ringing?
Here, put this down.
Who's the man?
Gentlemen, the man song.
He's the man.
Give me my cheese.
I don't take no crap from anybody else but you.
But me.
I was a pass around here when I finished with your laundry.
You know those days when the kids come home from school and you just need to get something done and so you just let them do whatever they want so that you can get what you need to get done? Well, this is what that looks like. I should have taken a video of what the table looked like before they came home from school, but I can guarantee you it did not look like that. It didn't have anything on it at all, really.
Oh, the bird.
Oh,
Oh, the bird's playing with the iPhone.
oh, look at him.
Bird's playing. You just gotta give him one of those so he can listen to it.
Yeah, he needs his own iPhone.
Oh yeah, an iPhone just for that bird.
Look at him.
What do you do?
That's a jingle bell. What kind of
to hear it again.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Oh, fast forward a bit. Fast forward it. That's rewind. Fast forward. There you go.
Ow, that's my finger.
There you go. That's a good job. Oh, stop playing with it.
We can't even see the whole
Oh,
thing.
you're just going crazy now.
Here, let's put on a better song.
Doesn't like it. See?
Sing it.
Sing it.
You're looking at it.
I like it.
Staring at that bird.
That's him.
You stared it all over again.
I know you're lying.
If I'm moving.
Tell me you think I'm dumb. I might be young, but I ain't stupid. Talking round in circles with your tongue. I gave you days. You gave me sweet talk. Saying hi, you're number one. Hi, baby, sing it with me. Your lips are moving. Your lips are moving. Every lips are moving and you're lying. Baby, hey baby. Don't. Here's the best part. Ready? I know you lie, cause your lips are moving. Tell me, do you think I'm dumb? I might be young, but I ain't stupid. Checking around in circles with your tongue. You're gonna base. You gave me sweet talk. Hey, you're number one. You lie.
Wait, stop that. Stop that, Dad.
Moving.
Dad, stop that.
What?
Mom, this is for you.
Hold on a
Well, the boy bird hates, the boy bird actually hates your boobs.
No, boys love boobs.
No, they don't.
Well, why is he sitting on them?
Because that's where he likes to rest. Up
Exactly.
here, he likes to rest.
Would you want to rest on a bony shoulder or something nice and soft, a nice soft pillow?
His feathers on.
second. All I can say about that is,
Oh, that's annoying, Dad.
all I can say is, I know you're lying, cause your lips are moving. Tell me you think I'm dumb. I be young, but I ain't stupid. Talking in circles with your tongue. Yum, 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 yum. No karaoke for you. No karaoke for you. Look at that, Megan Trainor stole my song. She stole my song. I made that song up just now. Can you believe that? Can you believe they stole my song? I just made it up. I made it up. See? Sounds better with her though. Tonight, we're done for tonight. We're gonna have a bath tonight, get all clean for school tomorrow. And what else? You played with the bird a lot today, right? Didn't get to vlog you on that. Sophia got to finally play with the bird until she got sick of the bird, right? Alright, and well, we're gonna say goodnight now. So, good night. See you tomorrow.
And subscribe.
Communicator.
Well, that'll be fun.
The North Pole Communicator every day.
It's $20, but it's probably like 70% off.
75% off? That's awesome.
Live and work in North Pole. Even those snowshoes. Ski down mountain. Ski jump. Whoa!
We are not buying that. We're not buying that.
North Pole style.
That's what we should do on New Year's, Christmas Eve next year.
Yeah, no thanks. That's way too noisy.